you joined BJP in way back in 2004. Electoral politics never interested you कि elections लड़ूं मैं.
You know, actually, when I joined politics, it wasn't with the intention of being a politician. I used to do a lot of social work with a lot of NGOs. Being this kind of person I was working with the drug awareness schemes in those days. कि बच्चों, that time drugs was a big issue. कि स्कूलों में जाके बच्चों को aware करना चाहिए about drugs. Then I used to work for the National Association of Blind. I used to work. One of my very passionate subjects was organ donation. I wanted to talk to people about cadaverous organ donation, because once you're dead, you need to, what are you going to do with your XYZ part of your body? So donate your organ. So various things, and I come from a family of doctors and they're gynecologists, so family planning was a big thing. I used to see in those days, I used to feel population is a big problem in India. We should bring people away. So I used to work with all these organizations, but like a simple thing like school mein, education mein, let's teach the kids about drug awareness. You can't just go and start informing kids, you have to take permission. Then permission has to come from via the government. So we would go to the education minister, we would talk to this one. I said, कुछ भी अच्छा काम भी करना है, so you need political power, you need political influence, which I'm feeling now with being Sinta president, that for getting the SOPs of a industry, we need to go to the government. I can't do it. I may be the president of Sinta. I can't tell the producer, आप ऐसे time पे दो. Till the government passes that rule, it's not going to happen.
Legislation चाहिए.
Anything needs legislation. Whether it's safeguarding or it's getting facility, that's when my mind started, that I need to join politics. And I had joined BJP in 2004, as you said. And I was very active for some time. And then I realized that that elbow in and get a place for myself wasn't my nature. I was like, a little shy and timid, and I wasn't really the... but of course, when you said electoral politics, I was offered. Arun Jaitley ji tab the, unhone mujhse bola tha. In fact, when I first joined, तो मुझसे पूछा गया था, you will join politics, what do you want in return? I said, what do I want in return? They said, do you want Rajya Sabha? I could have put that condition. I said, no, I don't want anything. I don't want Rajya Sabha. Now today I look back and say how naive and, innocent I was. I said, no, I just want to make a difference. I want to do good work. I want to do a thing. So if you say, no, I don't want anything in return, then you'll get nothing in return. So you have to be a hardcore demanding
negotiator.
So I was, of course, today I'm a little more aware of how things work. But still, I think doing a good work is very important. There was a time when I was offered somewhere in Punjab a seat, and I said, if I get from Chandigarh is what I would want, because that's my hometown.
That's right.
And that, of course, that time there was somebody else had been promised.
So you never know, Punjab is going to go for polls. Maybe you will stand for election from Punjab?
See, Punjab was offered to me once or twice, but I don't know, in my typical, I would say not so smart self, I was wanting a certain place, because I feel Chandigarh was my hometown. I grew up there, went to school there.
Kiran Kher stood for election.
Kiran was there that time, so I said, okay, Kiran is there, and she was, I think, a popular choice at that time. But after that, again, then...
2 terms I think she had from there.
Yeah, she had 2
after
terms.
That.
I was offered another, I don't want to name because
another
it's
constituency.
Another constituency. And
I would love to see you contest an election. It would be such fun to cover you.
Yeah, but it's a very, very
it's a
tough journey. Yeah. And I think the temperament which you need for it is of a different nature, which I think I'm slowly smartening up to it. I'm to an extent naive even now, but I'm less naive than I was 10 years ago.
And it's not as if people will vote for you just because you were an actor, because there's been a long period of you not doing this movie a year, 2 movies a year. वो नहीं है. So, there's a lot that you have done post that.
Yeah, and people need to believe in your integrity and your intentions. I think the 2 main things for any politician is, your intentions have to be correct. It doesn't mean everything you do will turn out right, but your intention has to be.
And there's never been any negativity associated with your name. So I think you come with a clean slate.
I hope
completely.
So. I've tried to stay away from all that. But I would say that even Arun Govil recently in Parliament brought up the actors thing. Because, we've had so many actors who've gone into the Parliament, but they've never fought for our industry to that extent. अभी जय जी ने बोला है, अरुण गोविल ने कुछ बोला था, but they've been like umpteen number of actors. Unfortunately, lot of them don't even attend Parliament. They are the ones who, you know, थोड़ा सा actors को non seriously लेना या frivolously लेना उनकी वजह से हुआ है. And which is sad, because just because you're an actor doesn't mean you are dumb or you don't have the social or consciousness or the intelligence. I mean, we had other actors like Shatrughan Sinha in those days. He was very aware, including Vinod Khanna was there. So, you know, they have kept their and one learns. Nobody is a politician from birth. So I'm very, very aware of what goes on. So a lot of times I remember meeting people, they said, we've never met an actress who knows so much about politics. I said, because I'm interested in it.
Good.
I like hearing, I like knowing what is happening in our country.
Do subscribe to the ANI Clips channel to get shorter versions of this podcast. Click here to watch the full episode.